Good morning, students. Today we'll see the chapter 2 exponents. Now we'll see first what is meant by exponent. You consider x is a real number and n is an integer. Then x multiply with x multiply by x multiply by x n times is equal to x raised to n, where x raised to n is called an exponential expression with the base x and exponent or power or index n. So x raised to n is read as x raised to the power n. So this is the definition of exponent. Very simple. Now we'll see next topic, laws of exponents. First law, product law. A raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. This law is called the product law. Here base is same a, the power is different, that is m, multiply by base is same a, power is different n, so which is equal to base is same, then you did do the addition of powers, means m plus n. So therefore a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So this law is called the product law. For example, 3 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 5, which is equal to, see base are same, powers are different. So according to the product law, 3 raised to 3 plus 5, so which is equal to 3 raised to the power 8. Now we'll see second law, quotient law. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n if the power m is greater than the power n, and a raised to power m divided by a raised to the power n is equal to 1 upon a raised to n minus m if n is greater than m. So these two laws are the quotient law. First law, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. The condition is that if m is greater than n, and a raised to the power m divided by a raised to n is equal to 1 upon a raised to power n minus m if n is greater than m. For example, 2 raised to 12 divided by 2 raised to 7. See here base are same, and here the power is 12 and here the power is 7, so 12 is greater than 7. So according to quotient law, which is equal to 2 raised to 12 minus 7 as 12 is greater than 7, so which is equal to 2 raised to 12 minus 7, 5, so 2 raised to 5. Now second, 5 raised to the power 12, 5 raised to the power minus 3, so which is equal to 5 raised to the power 12 plus 3, so which is equal to 5 raised to the power 15. Now we'll see third law, power law. A raised to the power m raised to the bracket power n is equal to a raised to mn. See, a raised to the power m is integer, then bracket raised to the power n, so which is equal to a raised to the power mn. So this law is called the product law. For example, 3 raised to 5 raised to the power of bracket 2 is equal to 3 raised to 5 multiplied by 2, so which is equal to 3 raised to 10. So this law is called the power law. Now we'll see the next point. Negative integral exponent. For any non-zero rational number a raised to the power minus n is equal to 1 upon a raised to n, and a raised to the power n is equal to 1 upon a raised to the minus n. That is, a raised to minus n and a raised to n are reciprocal of each other. That is, a raised to minus n and a raised to n are reciprocal of each other. For example, if 5 raised to the power minus 3, so we can write it is 1 upon 5 raised to 3. You take another example, 2 raised to minus 5, so we can write it is 1 upon 2 raised to 5. And if 7 raised to the power 3, so we can write the reciprocal of this power, that is 7 raised to 3 is equal to 1 upon 7 raised to minus 3. We'll see another example, 11 raised to power 6, so which is equal to 1 upon 11 raised to the power minus 6. Now we'll see some examples on the laws of exponent. Exercise 2A. The question first, evaluate. Very simple exercise. Example based on laws of exponents. First sum 3 raised to minus 1 multiply by 9 raised to minus 1 divided by 3 raised to minus 2. We'll see solution. 3 raised to minus 1 multiplied by 9 raised to minus 1 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 2, which is equal to, in bracket, 3 raised to minus 1, so reciprocal of this is 1 upon 3 multiply by 9 raised to minus 1, so reciprocal of 9 raised to minus 1 is 1 upon 9 divided by 3 raised to minus 2, so reciprocal is 1 upon 3 raised to 2. Product of numerators and product of denominators, 1 multiplied by 1, 1, 3 multiplied by 9, 27 divided by 1 upon 3 square 9, which is equal to 1 upon 27 multiply by, take reciprocal of 1 upon 9, so 9 upon 1, 9 ones are 9 threes are, so the required answer is 1 upon 3. Very simple examples. Now we'll see another example. Second, 2 raised to minus 1 plus 3 raised to the power minus 1 in bracket, and then bracket power is raised to 3. Solution: 2 raised to minus 1 plus 3 raised to minus 1 raised to the bracket power 3 is equal to 2 raised to minus 1, so reciprocal 1 upon 2, 3 raised to the power minus 1, so reciprocal of that is 1 upon 3 raised to the power 3. We'll solve first the operation addition. We'll solve first the operation addition, which is inside the bracket. So LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 multiplied by 1, 3 plus 3 2s are 6. 2 multiplied with 1, 2 raised to the power 3. 5 upon 6 raised to the power 3. So which is equal to 5 upon 6 multiplied by 5 upon 6 multiplied by 5 upon 6. So product of numerators, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. 5 5s are 25, 25 is 125, 6 6 are 36. Then 36 multiplied by 6, 6 6 are 36, 3 carry, 6 3s are 18, so 216. So which is the required answer. Now we'll see another example. Third, 5 raised to the power 2 minus 3 raised to the power 2 multiply by, in bracket, 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 3. We will find out the solution. Solution: 5 raised to the power 2 minus 3 raised to the power 2 multiply by 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 3. which is equal to 5 square 25, 3 square 9, multiply by, we'll take their reciprocal, so it is 1 upon 2 divided by 3 raised to the power 3, which is equal to 25 minus 9, 16, multiply by 1 upon denominator 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, so 16 multiplied by 1 upon 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 3 3 the 9, 9 3 the 27, which is equal to 16 multiplied by, so reciprocal of 1 upon 27 is 27 upon 8, 8 1 the 8 2 the 16, 2 multiply with the 27, so 27 to the 54, which is the required answer. Now we'll see another example, example 4. Same, evaluate in curly bracket, small bracket, minus 3 upon 2 raised to the power minus 3, curly bracket close, and raised to the power 2. Solution. In curly bracket, then in small bracket, minus 3 upon 2 raised to the power minus 3, in curly bracket close, raised to the power 2, which is equal to minus 3 upon 2. We know minus 3 multiply with 2, minus 3 multiplied by 2. We know the rule, a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m multiplied by n. So according to this rule, minus 3 in bracket, minus 3 upon 2 raised to minus 3 multiply with 2, so which is equal to minus 3 upon 2 raised to the power minus 6, which is equal to, we'll take the reciprocal of this, so this becomes minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power 6. So minus 2 upon 3 multiply by minus 2 upon 3 multiply by minus 2 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. Here the power of minus 2 upon 3 raised to 6 means in multiplication we have to write minus 2 upon 3 6 times. 2 to the 4 plus 4 to the 8 minus 8 to the 16 and plus 16 to the 32 minus 32 to the 64 is plus 64, then 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, and 81 multiply with the 9, we'll see here 81 multiplied by 9, 9 1 is 9, 9 8 is 72, so denominator is 729, so which is the required answer. So students, today we shall stop here. We'll see more examples in next lecture. Thank you.